Why you might consider the Sony BRAVIA XR X93L Mini LED TV in less than 60 seconds. If you want a TV with incredible brightness, deep blacks, and all the shades in between, the Sony X93L might be perfect for you. Our powerful cognitive processor XR controls thousands of mini LEDs in the XR backlight master drive, bringing you beautiful, immersive contrast. XR Triluminous Pro offers billions of accurate colors, so everything will look true to life. You'll feel like you're in the movie or in the game. Speaking of gaming, along with HDMI 2.1 gaming features, we also have the new Game menu, giving you new levels of control for your gaming experience. So, is this TV good in a bright room? Absolutely. Not only is this TV bright, but X anti-reflection will help reduce screen glare as well. And with X wide angle, everyone has the best seat in the house. No matter what you watch on your TV, movies, sports, broadcast TV, or even gaming, the X93L will deliver.